In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom link to the announcement bar in Shopify. Whether you're aiming to guide your customers directly to a special offer, a new product, or an important update on your website, customizing the link in your announcement bar can be incredibly beneficial. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do this quickly and efficiently, helping to leverage your site's announcement bar to its full potential. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to the site editor of your Shopify store. You'll find this by logging into your Shopify admin panel, clicking on Online Store, and then Customize. Once you're in the site editor, look for the announcement bar. This might typically be located at the top of your homepage, prominently positioned so visitors can easily see it upon visiting your site. Once you click on the announcement bar within the site editor, you'll notice that on the right-hand side of your screen, a panel of settings for the announcement bar will appear. These settings control various aspects of the announcement bar, from background color to font style, allowing you to tailor its appearance to fit seamlessly within your brand's aesthetic. To add your custom link, you'll want to focus on the field labeled Link. This is where the magic happens. Carefully paste the URL of your desired link into this text field. It might be helpful to have this link copied to your clipboard beforehand for a smooth process. Your custom link could be anything relevant to your business objectives: a link to a recent blog post, a limited time discount page, or perhaps a feature product. Once you have pasted your link into the field, make sure to double check it for accuracy. Verify that the link is complete and doesn't have any extra spaces that could prevent it from working correctly. Also, keep in mind that the link should open in the same tab by default, which is helpful as it keeps users on your site longer, but you can modify this if needed according to your strategic preference. When you're satisfied with your input, simply hit the Save button. This confirmation ensures that your changes are applied and visible to your site's visitors. And there you have it. It's as straightforward as that. By following these steps, you've successfully added a custom link to your Shopify store's announcement bar. This small yet significant change can drive traffic where you need it most and enhance the user experience by providing helpful and direct access to specific content on your site. Don't hesitate to experiment with different links and watch how they influence engagement and sales on your store. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips.